big shitty city on a mission to pick up the new weapon. Bought a new tow truck. Pretty pumped. Seems to be in pretty good shape. Bought it sight unseen at the RV auction. You know, as you do, right? You don't really need to go look at anything, especially these days, because nobody ever tries to scam anybody at an auction anymore. So I think it'll be fine. So we're gonna dial this thing in here tonight and sleep at the Crack Shack. And then tomorrow morning we're gonna dial it into Ritchie Brothers and get ourselves a big bad tow truck. Stay tuned. All right. So here it is. Oh yeah, number 67. And it's cold. I will be blown away if this fucking thing starts. Holy shit. What a unit. See if I can't get it started, and then we'll move it out of the way and walk around it. Oh, door's open. Oh, there's wheel chocks in it. Perfect. I was wondering if it was going to have any equipment. The old latch is a little bit dry. Huh. Well, have to see if I got some spray lube. Well, let's see if she'll go. Oh boy. Yeah, it's like minus 25 right now. And this is a 7.3. Oh God. Give it a couple glow plugs maybe. Holy fuck. It is cold. Another one. Oh. Well, it looks like it's got some LED strobes or something in it too. That's pretty neat. Come on. Fucking batteries seem to be alright though. No, we're gonna have to get some help. Okay. We will be back. So, we tried our best. The batteries are real good, and gave her a little bit of ether, but the old starter gave up the ghost. It's not happy. So let the smoke out, and I guess that's all there is to it. So it's the walk of shame with the fucking loader here. Man. Oh well, we'll get her going. We'll tow it going if we have to. I made her back. Starter's fried. So instead of putting it in the shop where it's nice and warm, you know, fucking around with the loader and unloading it and all that, we're gonna put a starter on it right here in the snow, because, you know, that's what you do. This will be a quick job anyway, right? Nothing's hard on a Ford. Where am I gonna put you guys? least it's not in the mud, right? Oh, yeah. What's all this fucking shit? Aftermarket cables. Oh. All right. I didn't unhook the batteries because, you know. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Maybe I should. Should I? Yeah, there's not really a fucking good way to get in there. Okay. Fuck, I don't like unhooking the batteries. Too much work. Have I got... Well, maybe I can get the trigger off at least. Solenoid trigger off without getting exploded. Where are you at now? Right there. Oh yeah, it's minus 30 right now, Celsius. So it's gonna be a limited time offer on laying underneath this fucking thing before I'm frozen. But got the trusty old F250 running in the background, so I should be able to warm up in there. Where the heck is that? Why can't I? What the hell is going on here? This is a Mickey Mouse fucking... I really can't tell what is going on with that bolt. I guess maybe I could take a picture now. Oh. This is so much fun. Oh, maybe it's 7/16, not metric. I'll be back. Why am I doing this? Oh. I get a good look at the spring bushings, and they're fucked, naturally. So that's good. Oh, we're gonna get her without unhooking the battery. Get that short socket on there. Yeehaw. Oh. It's just like operation, right? You just don't touch the sides. Oh, fuck. Easy does it. Oh. Oh, yeah, we got her. We got her. PTO leaking. Rear main seal in the motor. That's fine. She's mint otherwise. Wonder if the block heater's actually working. Wouldn't that be funny? Change the starter, burn out another starter, trying to get it going. Man. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, we'll just avoid that. Sparky. This whole time, right? We're not gonna even thinking, oh, fuck, the starter isn't gonna work. Automatic isn't the same as a standard, is it? There's 3 bolts on a standard starter. Idiot! Well, I bet I ain't gonna get a starter till fucking Monday now. Son of a bitch. Why did they gotta do that? I mean, I know it's a Ford, but they're not 5.8, are they? Bigger. 17. Oh. Another fucking tool trip. Come on. Alright, we're back again here. Oh, fuck. Oh, come on. Hello? Hi. Filming a video trying to change the starter. Can I call you back when I get in the house? I don't know, less than an hour probably. Okay, well, I mean, it's minus 30 and I'm trying to change this real quick, so it's not going to be that long, but I don't want to wait till it's colder and later to do it. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully soon. Should be within the hour. I almost got it off. No. Okay, I'll talk to you in a bit. Bye. Okay. What's the next one? Next. Oh, what? Can't get at that bolt. Has to be a wrench. That sucks. Maybe I should have brought more tools. Oh, how is that stuck so bad? That was almost a busted tooth. Yikes. What is going on here now? Alright, here we go. New starter. Going on. Oh, turn on the light here. There's the old one. The old one's direct drive, and the new one's planetary. So, makes for a shorter starter. More room to work, which isn't a bad thing. This is the sticker. It told me to unhook the battery, but I didn't do that. That's my breath. It's really cold. Really, really cold. Ugh. I've only had to make like 27 trips to the truck so far to warm up, so it's not so bad. Alrighty. New starter. Battery cable that's live, but that's fine. And then I think it's gonna go like that, right? Something like that. A bolt in there. So I guess some of these starters have 2 bolts. So that's live again. Why do I keep forgetting that? And some of them have 3 bolts, but either one fits, I guess. So that's good. There. Oh, come on now. Different fucking size. Shit. Well, I guess I gotta go get some vice grips and 1/4-inch drill bit. Unfortunately, that one fits though. Alright, be right back. Alright, I got the starter in. It's been plugged in all night. Let's see if she'll go.
Oh, I hope so. Let her have some glow plugs. Come on, baby. What? What the fuck's wrong with that? Brand new starter don't work. That doesn't make any sense. Oh, the hood shocks are fucked too. The battery connections are just fucking dog shit too. That probably ain't helping. Oh, that's right. I had this unhooked because I was giving her the old Leatherman. I bet it'll start now. Take two. More glow plugs. Come on. Still nothing? What the fuck? There we go. Oh. PTO's in gear. There we go. Running. That's a good sign. Turn that on, not that it's going to make any heat. Man. Oh, listen to that sweetheart. Okay, I'm going to unload it now. It's fucking cold. Holy fuck. Oh, well that went well. Can't get the high idle to work, but I think it's because the park brake light isn't coming on. Weird shit happens when it's really cold, so I won't hold it against it. Look at that sweetheart.